Next is DPP number 5 of inequality. The first question of this DPP is if A, B are positive distinct reals, then prove that A cube B plus AB cube is less than A raised to power 4 plus B raised to power 4. Now let us try to solve the given question. For solution of this question, let us have an expression as is equal to A cube B plus AB cube minus A raised to power 4 minus B raised to power 4. Now this expression can be rewritten as A cube B minus A raised to power 4 plus AB cube minus B raised to power 4. By taking A cube as common in both the from both the first terms, we have A cube plus A cube into B minus A plus B cube or plus B cube into A minus B, or we can say A cube into B minus A minus B cube into B minus A. That would be written as A cube minus B cube into B minus A. Now let us have two cases for the given question, the given expression. In case 1, if B minus A, if B is greater than A, then B minus A will be greater than 0, that means a positive quantity, and A cube minus B cube will be a negative quantity. So the product of B minus A into A cube minus B cube will give us a negative quantity. Now let us have a second case, that is if B is less than A. If B is less than A, then B minus A will be less than 0, that means a negative quantity, and A cube minus B cube will be a positive quantity, and the product of both these quantity will again be negative. So in each case we can say that. Now in third case, if we take B is equal to A, but we cannot take this case as we have given in the question that B and A are distinct reals, so we cannot take B is equal to A. So from both the cases we have that A cube minus B cube into B minus A is less than 0 or S is less than 0. That means the product of these quantities is less than 0, or we can say that A cube B plus AB cube minus A raised to power 4 minus B raised to power 4 is less than 0, or A cube B plus AB cube is less than A raised to power 4 plus B raised to power 4. That is our answer. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is given to us as for unequal positive reals A, B, C, prove that A into A minus B into A minus C plus B into B minus C into A minus B plus C into C minus A into C minus B is greater than 0. Let us try to solve the above question. Now since we have given that A, B, C are positive reals, then without loss of generality we can assume that A is less than B is less than C. Let us assume that A is less than B is less than C. Then A minus B is less than 0, B minus C is less than 0, and C minus A is greater than 0. Also A minus C less than 0, A minus B less than 0, and C minus B greater than 0. So each member of the LHS that we have to prove is positive. So we can say that the whole expression is positive. Moving to our next question, question number 3, that is given to us as, if A, B, C are the sides of a triangle, then prove that C upon C plus A minus B plus B upon A plus B minus C plus C upon B plus C minus A is greater than or equal to 3. Let us try to solve the given question. Since A, B, C are the sides of a triangle, so the value of A, B and C will be positive always. So we have all A, B, C greater than 0, and we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So we have all A plus B minus C, B plus C minus A and C plus A minus B are all positive. Now applying AM is greater than or equal to GM to the quantities, we have to the quantities A upon C plus A minus B, B upon A plus B minus C and C upon B plus C minus A. We have, by AM is greater than or equal to GM, A upon C plus A minus B plus B upon A plus B minus C plus C upon B plus C minus A is greater than or equal to 3 into cube root of product of these three quantities, that means A, B, C whole upon C plus A minus B, A plus B minus C and B plus C minus A. We have A square is greater than or equal to A square minus B minus C whole square, or A square is greater than or equal to A plus B minus C into A minus B plus C. Similarly, we may have B square is greater than or equal to B plus C minus A into B minus C plus A, and C square is greater than or equal to C plus A minus B into C minus A plus B. Now multiplying together all the three equations, we would have, multiplying together we get A square, B square, C square is greater than or equal to A plus B minus C whole square, B plus C minus A whole square and C plus A minus B whole square. Now taking the positive root both sides, we would have ABC is greater than or equal to A plus B minus C into B plus C minus A into C plus A minus B. From here we may have that ABC upon A plus B minus C, B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B is greater than or equal to 1. Taking the cube root on both the sides, we would have cube root of ABC whole upon A plus B minus C B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B is greater than equal to 1, or from here and from AMGM inequality, from both the equations we would have that A upon C plus A minus B plus B upon A plus B minus C plus C upon B plus C minus A was already greater than this expression, and now this expression is greater than equal to 1, so we can say that this expression is greater than equal to. Moving to our next question, question number 4, that is given to us as if A plus B plus C is equal to 1 and A, B, C are all distinct positive reals, then prove that 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C is greater than 8ABC. Let us try to solve the question. As A, B, C are positive real numbers, so by applying AMGM inequality on these real numbers by 2 at a time, we would have A plus B is greater than 2 root AB, B plus C is greater than 2 root BC, and C plus A is greater than 2 root AC. Now since A plus B plus C is equal to 1, so we have 1 minus C is greater than 2 root AB, 1 minus A is greater than 2 root BC, and similarly 1 minus B is greater than 2 root AC. By multiplying all these three inequalities, we would have 1 minus A into 1 minus B into 1 minus C is greater than 8 root AB root BC root CA. So we have 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C is greater than 8 ABC, hence proved. Moving to our next question, question number 5, that is given to us as let A, B, C be non-negative reals such that A plus B plus C is equal to 1, then prove that A square plus B square plus C square plus square root of 12ABC is less than equal to 1. Let us have the solution of the given question. To prove that A square plus B square plus C square plus square root of 12ABC is less than equal to 1, we may prove that square root of 12ABC is less than equal to 1 minus A square plus B square plus C square. At this state, let us use A plus B plus C is equal to 1. Now we have to prove that square root of 12ABC is less than equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus A square plus B square plus C square, that is square root of 12ABC is less than equal to twice of AB plus BC plus CA. By squaring both the sides, we have to prove that 12ABC is less than equal to 4AB plus BC plus CA whole square. Again, we have to prove that thrice of ABC is less than equal to AB plus BC plus CA whole square. We have to prove this expression. Now, as ABC are real quantities, then we can say that AB minus BC whole square plus BC minus CA whole square plus CA minus AB whole square is greater than equal to 0. From here we have twice of A cube B square plus A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square minus twice of ABC into A plus B plus C is greater than equal to 0, or we may say that A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square is greater than equal to ABC, as we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 1. From here we have AB plus BC plus CA whole square minus twice of ABC A plus B plus C is greater than equal to ABC. From here we have AB plus BC plus CA's whole square is greater than equal to thrice of ABC, as we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 1. That is equal to equation inequality 1 that we have to prove. That's all. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is given to us as let ABC be the length of the sides of a right angled triangle. The hypotenuse having length C. Then prove that A plus B is less than equal to square root of 2C. To solve the above question, we know that as A and B are sides of a triangle, so they are real quantities. So we can say that A minus B whole square is greater than equal to 0. From here we have A square plus B square is greater than equal to 2AB. From here we have, by adding A square B plus B square to both the terms, we have twice of A square plus B square is greater than equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, by adding A square plus B square to both the sides. From here A square plus B square will be given as C square for a right angle triangle which is greater than equal to A plus B whole square. Now by taking the square root of both the sides, we would have that A plus B is less than equal to square root of 2C. That's proved. Here we have